All right, just a short video. Tulsa's oldest house. Still in existence, I guess. Excuse the wind noise. Not really a whole lot to say about this here, but I don't know, kind of interesting. Kind of a cool little small house. It definitely puts things in perspective, though. You know, in the 1800s, this is what you had for a house. This was a family house. And this is all you had to work with. Not very big. This here house is real. Okay, that's what that graffiti says. Makes it sound like somebody's living in it. Looks like it kind of has a bit of a crawl space under it too. I'm guessing they would have had some steps going up to it, but I guess those are gone. Anyway, there you have it. Tulsa's oldest house, still in existence.